Hello everyone, welcome back. So today is the day. One person is going to win everything that's in this box, plus our brother aksalaman is going to send you some gifts that he made, and I have a $50 gift card from our brother Mitch over at Colorado Bushcraft. Oh yeah, this is chock full of goodies. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a clip in here. It's actually gonna be pretty much the last video I did on this giveaway. So if you want to see everything that's in it, watch that clip. If you don't want to see because you already saw it, you could fast forward to when I picked the winner. So let me put that in right now. This is going to be the giveaway video. Oh yeah. Look at all this wonderful, wonderful stuff. Most of this is handmade by me, Dean from Orion, Nikki St Laurent, and there's a couple things that are not on this table. We have a $50 gift card to Colorado Bushcraft from our brother Mitch. We have another prize package that's going to come from aksalaman. Whoever wins this will also get that. And then we have something from James, our brother, over at Harshman Hills, and Craig, our brother from over at Squirrelly Acres. All right, so let's get into it. We have a Pack Pal, Smith's Pack Pal. Now, anyone that's been working with fatwood knows that this is one of the most awesome tinder makers. This works great with fatwood. It works really, really great with cedar. This is like a must-have. So we have that from Craig. Of course, we have to have a Mora. You know James loves his Moras. So we got a basic 511 black. Let's see what else we got here. All right, we got some fatwood. This is Honduras fatwood. Got a couple sticks of that. We have a little assortment of Florida chert. We got Nikki sticker, Nikki St Laurent. We have a handmade wax canvas bag by me, drawstring. We have a zippered wax canvas pouch. I did not make this, but I did wax it. We have some Instafire from Nikki. We also have this awesome leather pouch from Nikki, handmade. How beautiful is that? And we also have another one she made. 2 leather pouches. We have one of her famous fire starters here, wax fire starters with corrugated cardboard. Got to fit everything in the screen here. We also have this little tin with a Ranger band on it that she set up. And it's a little fire starter kit. We got some jute. We have some fatwood, lamp wick, and then the bottom, she just put a piece of leather to keep everything quiet. And we have a couple more of her fire starter straws. We have some Ranger beads. All right. We have here a handmade Bushcraft awl that I made with antler and mahogany. No, this is walnut. And a leather sheath that it goes in. Fits nicely. We have some beeswax, Florida beeswax fire starters that I made. We have a little stove here that Nikki made. Check it out. This is awesome. I have here a deer antler ring. This is a size 9. And we have a deer antler whistle, both made by me, with a deer antler bead. In this pouch, in this oilcloth, we have a pair of tongs. These are from Dean from Orion. And a Nicholson file made in the USA that made its way to Australia, and Dean forged into this most awesome striker. Look at that strike face. It's got his little O on it. So you got the tongs and the striker. Boy, I hope this is all staying in frame. And a bunch of Aussie flint. In a nice, I believe this is a Hessian bag, he said. So we got all of that. Then we have here a what I call a blacksmith hook. I made that. And we have here come on out, a fire poker. Oh yeah. Deer antler handle, all handmade by me, leather and beads, deer antler beads, and that's what the hook is for, so you could hook it up, and a little screw to go with it. And last but not least, we have a, come on out of there, a wax canvas with a deer antler bead and leather lace, all handmade by me. Spice kit. I'll tell you what, I use mine a lot when I'm out there. It works great. You can put whatever you want in there. So there you have it, folks. The most epic giveaway I've ever done, thanks to James and Craig and Dean and Nikki and Mitch and aksalaman. Oh, just absolutely awesome. All right, so you all see all the wonderful goodness that's in here, and some other things that you didn't see because you have to wait to get those, right, from aksalaman and Colorado Bushcraft. So again, I just want to thank you all. I'm so appreciative of all the support and love and friendship. It just blows me away, and it just warms my heart. So I'm going to wish you all luck. I got the random comment picker here. We're going to put the link in. We are going to do filter duplicate users, include replies. We'll put this capture in here. We'll get the comments, and here we go. Y'all ready for this? Boom! Reaper Militia Outdoors! Woo! He put, wow, good luck, everyone. Boom! My brother. I don't think you've ever won anything from me, my brother. Well, there you go, man. You got the ultimate 2,000 friends giveaway package. Oh, yeah. I don't have your address, so my email is in my about section. Send it on over to me, and I shall get this out to you. And everyone, I want to thank you for getting us where we're at. It's just so much love and appreciation in this community. Really, it just warms my heart. And again, I want to thank everyone who contributed and everyone who entered and all the wonderful comments. I really, really do appreciate it. And I don't say that lightly. I mean, I really, really do. So I hope you all are staying well. Congratulations to our brother. And we'll see you on the next one. I ran out of words to say. But again, really, thank you, everyone. And stay well, and we will see you on the next one.